What's good, family? I'd like to welcome y'all right back to the channel, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for tuning in, checking your boy out today. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, do me a favor, man. Go ahead and kill the like button, and if you like this video, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're gonna be doing something a little different. Right now, it is 1:21 in the morning right here in Dallas, Texas. I was sitting up, I was just thinking that, you know what, man, I'm gonna record this video tomorrow, and it just hit me like, nah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just knock it out tonight. I refuse to be at work with something that I really want to do. I got a goal set this year for this YouTube channel, and you know what, with the help of you guys, we definitely gonna hit it. Now, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna bring something different to the channel. I told y'all before I was gonna start doing this, so today really gonna kind of be like the first video on this channel. New pickup video, everything that I just recently purchased, everything I just picked up, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about everything. Not only will I be showing you what I got, I'm gonna show you the items that I purchased, what I'm gonna wear with it. Now, straight up out the gate, my first purchase was these joints right here. If you don't know what this box is, you know what the box is now. Just buy the shoe on top. These right here are the Yeezy Foamrunners. I think the colorway called like O'Trade, something like that. I have no idea. Shout out to the good people that sent this over to me. You know, it come in the shoe if you never purchased anything from Go before. They tell you that they verified all that good stuff and they go from there. Now with this shoe right here, this is actually really my first foam runner. Well, no, I take that back. It's my second one. My first foam runner that I actually purchased. I bought it like too big because I was looking at all the reviews and I was seeing some people say, go up a size, all these other things. And then I noticed that this shoe does not have like shoelaces. So I was like, yeah, I better go up a size to, you know, make sure I get a good fit. And the shoe that I actually ended up purchasing was like way too big. They were like 11 and I had to like sell them back. So I ended up getting these right here and I like them. Now the colorway is like a light tan, a brown. And me personally, like, I don't know what it is lately. I just been purchasing like everything that colorway. I don't know if brown is like growing on me. I don't know. And then the fall is right around the corner. So this is definitely a shoe that even if I don't, I may pull these out for the fall, but I'm definitely pulling them out for show for the summer. So I just wanted to bring y'all this right here, just let y'all see one of the pair of sneakers that I ended up picking up. Y'all make sure y'all let me know what y'all think down below on these joints. Now, the second joint is something that I was patient on. Like me personally, I just wait on certain stuff. Shout out to the lady, she ended up picking these up for me. But like I'm saying, some stuff I be patient on. Like a lot of this stuff, it come out like it be priced like extremely high. Me personally, I will wait till it go down till I want to buy it. So let me bring y'all the second shoe. If you don't know what this box is already, pretty sure y'all know what these are. Just based on the bottom, drop the shoe down. Just based on the box right here. I'm pretty sure y'all know what these are. And if you don't, well, my sneakerheads for sure know what these are. These are the Travis Scott ones, low reverse mochas. Now, with this shoe here, I'm not going to like, shout out to Go for these right here too. No Go senior card, little stick or whatever. Now, shout out to them for these right here as well. This shoe right here, I'm not gonna do like a review on, because it's millions of reviews on these joints all over YouTube. Now, what I will do with this shoe, what I'm going to bring you guys is like how to wear these, how to style these. Because I feel like I see a lot of people with these on, but I feel like they can do better. They're not really coming as hard. Like I've seen a lot of other outfits that you can put these more, like that you can wear with these, and they stand out a little bit more. So definitely y'all be on the lookout for that video. These shoes right here, like I say, another colorway, brown, tan. I don't know, it's just, maybe that color is growing on me. Like I say, but these joints right here are hard. This makes my, my third Travis Scott. I sold one, end up keeping, it's crazy because I kept all my lows. My other one that I sold was a high top, was the very first high top sold that one. But for some reason I keep all my lows. So y'all stay on the lookout for this sneaker as well. I have a video that I'm gonna just dedicate strictly toward this sneaker, like how to wear and what I would wear with this sneaker. So once again, shout out to Go on that. Now, what I would be probably rocking with these, and I just seen this, y'all, when I pull this out the box, this next item. What I'll probably be rocking with these, but I'm gonna need y'all help. As y'all see the shoe, I end up purchasing another little fit. You know, like I say, the fall is right around the corner. So I end up going to Gap. Now this shirt right here, this hoodie is brown. And as y'all can see, not only is it brown, it is it's tan, man. It got the same shoe. It's the same color that's in the Yeezy. Now, not only when I'm putting it out the box, I see something. I'm like, wow, this shoe, this Gap hoodie actually matches up with the Travis Scott ones, which is crazy. So I'm like, I can really go either way with the, you know, I can go the Foamrunner, or I can go the Travis Scott ones, which I'll probably, matter of fact, y'all hear me do that. Y'all comment down below, let me know which one y'all think I should end up rocking. Should I rock the Travis Scott one, the low tops, or should we rock the Yeezy Foamrunner with this outfit? Now, me personally, I ain't no telling. It depends on how I feel that day, what I want to wear that day. So that's just me. But I was like, wow, when I pulled it out the box, I actually seen like both of these shoes go perfectly with this little outfit. Now it did come with a short set. The shorts, excuse me, the shorts got shipped separately. I don't know why they just didn't ship my whole fit together. I have no idea. But it is a set of shorts that came with those. And yeah, man, so definitely be on the lookout for that. I really can't wait to put that on, because I really can't wait to see how the brown and the tans just work off each other. Now, my last item, oh yeah, it wouldn't be right if I didn't bring y'all no polo. Come on, end up bringing this right here. This is a simple polo shirt. Now, if y'all can't see. Now, this polo shirt here, I actually got to rock with the Travis Scott ones. Just something to throw on. That's not like an outfit that I'm gonna probably just rock when I kill these shoes, but I just grabbed this little polo shirt right here just to throw on, like a little throw and go. Y'all gonna hear me say that a lot, throw and go. Now, if you need the definition, throw and go is something I just throw on and go. You see what I'm saying? Whether it's the barbershop, out, you know, chilling with my partners, out doing some throw and go. So yeah, man, I just want to bring you guys all these items. Like I said, I was just laying here posted, just saying to myself, you know what? I get up, I shoot this video in the morning. I was like, nah. Like I said, once again, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this video out. So I hope you guys liked everything that I sent, that I showed you guys. Like I say, from the Travis Scott Foamrunners to the what else? The Gap. Oh yeah, from Travis Scott Foamrunners to the Travis Scott Foamrunners. What am I talking about? From the Yeezy Foamrunner to the Travis Scotts. I hope y'all like them both. I definitely do. Now, once again, I'm gonna say this one more time. On the Travis Scott, y'all make sure I'm gonna drop a whole nother video for that on how to wear those, what to rock. Well, not really what to rock. You can rock what you wanna wear, just my opinion on what I would wear with them. So yeah, man, like I said, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in and rocking with your boy, man. Once again, if you like this video, give it a huge thumb up. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to your boy, man. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Drop a can of Twister, baby girl, just want